How many times a day do you open an app, search your computer, or do a quick calculation? Usually it involves clicks, menus, and wasted time. PowerToys Run changes that completely. Just press alternate space key and instantly you get a lightning fast search box right in the middle of your screen. This is your gateway to launching anything on your computer. Watch how fast this works. I'll type note and notepad shows up immediately. No waiting, no searching through a menu. And if I press enter and notepad launches. You can do this for any application on your computer. So try it again, alternate spacebar. Then this time we'll search for Chrome and Google Chrome appears immediately. We'll hit enter and there's it. Let me show you on that one. When you hit alternate space key, then you type PowerPoint and there is it. Then you hit enter and it launches it instantly. But here is where it gets really clever. PowerToys Run isn't just for launching apps. It's also a built-in calculator. When you run it again, alternate space, just type your maths. No need to open a calculator. We can do 25 times 3. Answer appears, boom, on your screen. And you can see the answer is 75. Let's try another one. 150 divided by 12, 12.5. No calculator app needed. It's all right here. Now let's search for files. Alternate space again. We have it up here. And I will search for anything on my computer. I will type Kinspire and it searches across my entire PC for any file with that name. Look at all these results. It shows me instantly where each file or folder is located. I can open any of them instantly. Just click on the results and it opens. That's very powerful. And there is one more thing. You can search the web directly from PowerToys Run. Open space, then we do our exclamation mark, question mark twice. You can see search the web instantly, followed by the search results. You hit enter and it opens the web, and here you can actually see your web results. Now in the settings, we'll go to PowerToys. Let's use it again. PowerToys. In the settings, you can customize exactly. We'll click on PowerToys Run. So from these settings, you can customize exactly what you want to search for. If you want to turn off web results, you can see them here. Tab through context forms. Then down here, you can see you want to turn on calculator. You want to turn on folder search. You want to turn on history. You want to turn on Windows search. OneNote, search through OneNote. So you can actually enable or disable it if you want it more services. There is actually where you can have full control over all the programs, over all the calculators, the files, and web search. And if alternate space doesn't work for you, you can change the hotkey by going over here to edit the hotkey and adjusting it. So why should you use PowerToys Run? Because it is fast, it is free, and it saves you time every single day. Launch any apps in milliseconds, do maths without opening an app, find files across your entire computer, search the web without opening a web browser. And thanks for watching. I'll be looking at fancy zones. Thanks and see you in the next video.